अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है मेरे सभी दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल फ्रेंड इज वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए। तो दोस्तों, आज हम बोनस टास्क के ऊपर बात करेंगे और आपको मैं इस बोनस टास्क के बारे में तमाम तर मालूमात दूंगा। तो मेरे साथ रहिएगा दोस्तों इस घंटे में तमाम तर मालूमात के साथ। थैंक यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं बाकायदा तौर पर आज का अपना टॉपिक, आज का बोनस टास्क। गेट लॉन्च पूल प्रोजेक्ट 345 स्टेबल स्टेबल स्टेक BTC GT और स्टेबल टू क्लेम एयर ड्रॉप। Thank you all my lovely friend to join my stream, Kate user friend and other friend। तो दोस्तों, बोनस टास्क के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं। गेट लॉन्च पूल is set to the launch project 345 stable। Stable user can stake BTC, GT or stable to share 4000000 stable token for free। Thank you all my lovely friend to join my stream, गेट यूजर फ्रेंड एंड अदर फ्रेंड। सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। सब दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। थैंक यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर फ्रेंड एंड जॉर्ज। सो this round of launch pool future upgrade application participation conditions and staking caps. For the BTC pool, the maximum staking cap will be determined by the each user 60-day total trading volume. Achieving higher trading volume will unlock higher staking cap. Thank you, my friend, Gate user friend. Don't beat and Gate user friend. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, family. Thank you so much for joining my stream. My friend, thank you, Gate user friend. M. Dot Byte. Thank you, Dot Byte and other friend to join my stream. Thank you, all of you. So the airdrop details. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. So the staking period December 8, 2025 at 12 UTC to December 15, 2025 at 14 UTC. So total staking reward 4000000 stable unlock method 100% unlock. So my dear friend, today my topic Gate Live bonus tasks launch pool stable. Thank you all my dear friend today to join my stream। सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आपके सामने मौजूद है। Thank you all of you for joining my stream। All my friend, thank you so much। सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। Thank you all my friend to join my stream। Thank you Miss Crypto to join my stream। Thank you so much for joining Miss Crypto and welcome to join my live stream। Thank you so much my friend। So staking period December 8, 2025 at 12 UTC to December 15, 2025 at 14 UTC। Total staking reward 4000000 stable and unlock method unlock 100% unlock। Thank you so much for joining stream। Thank you all my friend to join my stream। So today my topic Gear Live bonus tasks launch post stable project review, and I tell you the review of this project my dear friend। Thank you so much for join my stream। तो स्टेक टू अर्न करते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू। सो स्टेबल Meet stable chain, the USD native layer one built for the stable coin payments, every transaction settlement in USD with the sub-second finally. Low fees and the reliability, the global payments demand fast, scalable, secure, reliable. Thank you, my friend. CryptoRex ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया. Thank you so much for join CryptoRex and welcome to join my live stream. तो CryptoRex क्या आपको बोनस टास्क आया है? आप चेक करें अपना चैट और आपको मालूम हो जाएगा कि आया है आपको प्रोजेक्ट बोनस टास्क. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल माय फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. शेविक मित्रा, थैंक यू सो मच शेविक मित्रा एंड क्रिप्टो रॉक्स एंड मिस क्रिप्टो आल्सो. नो डेयर तो क्रिप्टो रैक्स को अभी नहीं आया प्रोजेक्ट, उम्मीद आ जाएगा इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द आपको भी. एंड गुड टू सी यू माय फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो रैक्स. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. टोटल रिवार्ड 4000000 स्टेबल एंड स्टार्ट टाइम 8/12/2025. सो द पूल. Thank you all my friend today to join my stream. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you. And Crypto Crystal ने भी join कर लिया. Thank you so much for joining Crypto Crystal. Thank you. Thank you my friend to join my stream. Okay my dear friend, thanks so much for joining my stream. Crypto Crystal and Crypto Rex also. Crypto Crystal आप भी चेक करें कि आपको बोनस टास्क आया है कि नहीं. Thank you so much Crypto Crystal and Crypto Rex. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. So the total staking reward 2000000 stable and mining period 7 day. Total staking 28534155 GT. And now the participation 6640. Price pool history cap 11904 stable. For the individual hourly cap 2976.19 stable. APR 6.55. And now the earn more candy drop and other friend. Thank you so much my friend Crypto Crystal and Crypto Rex. यस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आया है. यस चलो माशाल्लाह आपको भी आ गया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. तो स्टेबल के ऊपर मौजूद हैं. अभी हम चलते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के ऊपर और आपको इसकी वेबसाइट पे हम बात करते हैं. थैंक यू ऑल माय लिटिल फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. सभी दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और अभी मौजूद हैं स्टेबल की वेबसाइट के ऊपर. सो द स्टेबल कोइन पेमेंट रियल फॉर द वर्ल्ड. Thank you all friend to join my stream. USD from the static to scalable. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thanks so much. So the Meet stablecoin, the USDT native layer one built for the stablecoin payments. Every transaction settle in USD with sub scanned finally, low fees and the reliability for the global payment demand first. Scalable user reliable. रिलाइबर. थैंक यू सो मच माय फ्रेंड. तो खूबसूरत सी है वेबसाइट. थैंक यू सो मच माय फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. तशकिया. Thank you my friend Tushkia, Gate user friend and other friend. So the global standard for stablecoin. So the global standard for stablecoin payments designed for the real economy. Stablecoin private a fast predictable complaint and low-cost settlement infrastructure, making stablecoin payments scalable for the institution and strategic world of user. तो खूबसूरत सी वेबसाइट है इसकी आपके सामने मौजूद है. स्टेबल की खूबसूरत सी वेबसाइट आप देख सकते हैं. सो द ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट ऑफ स्टेबल माइंडेड फ्रेंड. नाउ यू सी दिस. थैंक यू सो मच all my friend to join my stream. So the 500 million plus people rally on USD today, yet the real benches are still. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining my live stream. All friend, सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. So the forgive unpredictable and example expensive. थैंक यू माय फ्रेंड. तो वेबसाइट पे मौजूद हैं हम स्टेबल की. मेरा आज का टॉपिक है गेल लाइफ बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पूल स्टेबल, और इसी पर आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. सो द formatted liquidation. The stable coin are split across chain and intradays moving value between the ecosystem is slow, cost and technical finger. Crypto Rock ने हमें ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन Crypto Rock and welcome to join my live stream. Hello friend, Crypto Rock says. Unpredictable cost. Fees change without warning. Transaction finally. Version stablecoin and payments can not really or environments that be half different every day. The number three, my dear friend, the introductions of fractions. Thank you all my friend to join my live stream. Gates to the Skyfall and Crypto Rock. सभी दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बड़े रहने के लिए. तो मेरे साथ रहिएगा दोस्तों. Institutional fractions. And good to see you. Have a good day, my dear Crypto Rock. Enterprises face complex interrogation, custody, compliance, settlement flow, and chain level operation. This payment stable coin adoption for scale. Thank you, Shoro and Legal Hidayatullah. Also, thank you so much, all my friend, to join my stream. So the unaware access. Million still and the reliable and off ramp stable transaction fees for the merchant infrastructure deposit stable coin being widely held. तो खूबसूरत वेबसाइट के साथ हम मौजूद हैं स्टेबल के ऊपर दोस्तों. आपको स्टेबल के बारे में तमाम तर मालूमात से आगाह कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन स्ट्रीम. सो द स्टेबल डिजाइन. Pay network fees directly in USD with the predictable fees for pre-to-pre transfer. Stablecoin remove the need for a separate gas token. Enterprise ready, fast complaint and easy to the interrogate infrastructure designed for global payments and settlement flow. Thank you my friend Anna for joining my stream. Hidayat and Anna Mochenda, thank you so much Mochenda. So the enterprise ready, fast, complete, and easy to the intricate infrastructure designed for a global payments and settlement flow. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Thank you so much. So the native USD settlement. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, और बोनस टास्क के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं आपके साथ. थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Hidayat Altica and other friend. Thank you so much. So the next is my dear friend native USD settlement. The USD to the transaction fees and avoid the free reality validation prediction to the cost for the every transactions. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. तो हम मौजूद हैं इस टाइम स्टेबल की वेबसाइट के ऊपर. Seamless, thank you so much my friend to joining stream. And now the seamless UX. Thank you all friend to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Thank you for joining my stream, all my friend. Thank you so much my. So the next is seamless UX. One wallet, one currency, sub-second, finally stable makes ending digital dollar. Thank you. Okay, my dear friend, to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Thank you all my friend today to join my stream. Thank you so much my lovely friend. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. आज हम बोनस टास्क पे आप दोस्तों से बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. जो कि gate.io की तरफ से हमें मिला है। थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन स्ट्रीम। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको मज़ीद इस बारे में मालूमात देते हैं। थैंक यू माय लवली फ्रेंड। सो द नेक्स्ट इज seamless UX on wallet once currency sub-second, finally stable, making sending digital dollar feel instant and native. The EVM computable. Thank you for joining my stream, my dear friend. Thank you. Built in the most robust environment and large, powerful smart contract number reward for the American pay. And the next one is, my dear friend, the scale to the global demand. Stable high thought architecture support consumer payment volume and institutional flows. Thank you my friend to joining my stream. All my friends, सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए। Thank you my lovely friend to joining my stream. Thank you all of you for joining my live stream, all my friends. So the scale global demand. Stable high thought for the architecture support consumer payment volume and institutional follows. So the build for the institutionals and development user. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Institutional and enterprises built to meet the performance, compliance and reliability standard of global finance operator. Thank you my lovely friend to join my stream. Thank you all of you, Zemle and Begoza. So the next one, built to meet the performance, compliance, and reliability standard for the global finance operator developer. The launch USD native application with the familiar tooling and strategian-wide interrogations. So my dear friend, today my topic, geared live bonus task launch pool, a stable project review, and I tell you the review. In this time, I tell you the website of this bonus task. Thank you, Ishrat77. So the consumer stable makes stable coin move seamless and fast, simple predictions. Thank you all of you for joining my stream, all my friend. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. So the formula launch to the scale. Number one. This is the official website of this, my dear friend. Stable chain maintain launch. Deploy to the world first native USDV. Blockchain stuff fractal stablecoin goes live with the real thought and real utility sub-second. Finally, USD native gas fees. Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you all of you, all my lovely friend to join my stream. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. तो स्टेबल आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, उसी पर मैं आप दोस्तों से बात कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू इशरत. वालेकुम सलाम टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू एंड वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम इशरत. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. रॉक की जानिब से गिफ्ट हमें आ चुका है. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइन ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो रॉक. व्हाट इज द करंट मार्केट सेटलमेंट. तो दोस्त आज हम बोनस टास्क पे का बात कर रहे हैं, इस वजह से हमें आज मार्केट के बारे में फिल वक्त कोई मालूमात नहीं है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो रॉक. Stable chain meant launch deeply to the world first native USD blockchain. Instafracture stablecoin goes to live with the real thought and real utility. And sub-second, finally USD native gains, scale thought and extensions. Thank you, bro. Love. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. So the introduce the Optimix panel extensions and stable DB to scale throughput while the previous sub-second settlement. So the power of future finance. Accelerate thought to the 10000 TPS with the reliability for by adoptions DAG base consumes and set into the foundation of future scale enterprises interpretations. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Now the answer and question. Thank you all my friend today to join my stream. So what is the stable? This is the FAQ of this my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Get the friend and other friend. Stable is a blockchain purpose built for the stablecoin payments. It provides settlement layer where value moved in USD with the consent performance, predictable fees, and sub-second finally. Why does stable use USD as a gas? थैंक यू माय फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अभी हम FAQ पे मौजूद हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम द FAQ ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट। थैंक यू गेट यूजर लूविंड एंड बिगोजा डोंट सीक। थैंक यू all of you to join my stream. What does stable use USD gas? तो इसके ऊपर हमने बात करनी है आप दोस्तों के साथ। Thank you all my friend today to join my stream. Thank you so much. MS Thaman. Stable use USD for transaction fees so user do not need a second token transact. This simplification payments avoid gas price validate and ensure all fees remain dynamized into the familiar stable unit of account. How fast? Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. How fast is stable? Thank you for joining my stream, my friend. Thank you. The stable finalized transaction in sub-second time with high thought to the network is designed to maintain consent settlement speed and during the period of high activity. Next is my dear friend, thanks so much. It is stable compatible with the Ethereum app. This is the FAQ of stable. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Little good. Thank you, little good while. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Thank you, all my friend, to join my stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the compliment. My great friend, thank you so much. So the yes, stable is EVM computable application can deploy using to the same smart contract standards, tolling and structure used in Ethereum ecosystem without rewrites or new languages. Who is behind stable? Thank you and welcome to join my stream. Thanks so much, my friend Gone, for join my stream and welcome to join. Yuzinko also, thank you so much, my friend. Today my topic Gear Life bonus stars launch pool stable. And I tell you the review of this project, my dear friend. Thank you. So who is the stable? Who is the behind stable? Thank you, my friend. So the stable is developed by the stable team in collaboration with Instafracture Partners Security Forum as enterprise operator. This network is built to support long-term institutional and global payment adoption. The next is, my dear friend, why build a wild chain just for the stable queen? Thank you, Akrima. General purpose blockchain are optimized for the trading and competition, not payment stable in design to specification for stablecoin movement with the predict fees, fast confirmations and single settlement currency across to the network. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Now the stable. Al Sharif, thank you so much. The Sonic help, thank you. स्टेबल आपके सामने मौजूद और खूबसूरत सी वेबसाइट स्टेबल की आपके सामने मौजूद है और मैं आपको इसी वेबसाइट के ऊपर बता रहा था। थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो वेबसाइट के बाद अभी हम चलते हैं इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब और आपको इसके वाइट पेपर पे ले चलते हैं। थैंक यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू ऑल शरीफ and other friend to join my live stream. So welcome to stable. Today my topic Gear Life bonus task launch for stable project review, and I tell you the review of this project bonus task, and in this time I tell you the white paper of the stable. Welcome to stable. Stable powered by the USD, designed to move stablecoin at scale because the world most and used asset driven it on chain. Thank you, my friend, to joining Steam. Welcome to the official documentation of Stable. With over 190 billion in the circulation and more than 350 million users globally, USDT trade for the stablecoin market, powering centralized exchange and decentralization finance, DeFi, and international payments. Yet to current infrastructure struggle to meet increased demands for a low cost, higher speed, and great reliability. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Crypto Champion, Walaikum Salam, and welcome to join my live stream, Crypto Champion. मेरी स्ट्रीम से पहले क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने खूबसूरती से अपना बोनस टास्क कंप्लीट किया है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से निभाया है अपने बोनस टास्क को. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. So the next is my dear friend. Thanks so much. The stable addresses the demand for to scalable, secure and user-friendly blockchain specification creator for USD for the participate need. We are surviving all user in engagement. Thank you, my friend. So the engagement market of financial institutional holding stable transaction volume and stable delivers an optimized environment to make transaction fees capture and scientification more efficient. Thank you, Crypto Champion. Best of luck for the project. Thank you so much, my friend, beautiful friend, Crypto Champion. Thank you for support my live stream, my dear friend. Thank you. So the next is, my dear friend, stable allows with the high thought layer one blockchain with sub-second finally designed to the survive as the asset insured and settlement lawyer for USDT from some of the key features include. Hello, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream and welcome to join my stream. Dear friend 3526, welcome. So the optimized USD stable provide the comprehensive US focused future, including the optimized large scale USD transfer and efficient USD insurance of settlement capitalizations built for the everyday using. I am fine, my dear friend Crypto Champion. Thank you so much and good to see you my live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Transaction finalized the under second with the minimum cost, stable invitations, wallet certification, sending, receiving, and as the management while enable easy debit card and interrogation. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. So the custom future for enterprise. Stable provides advanced future design for the institutionals need. It offer granted block space allocation, efficient USD transaction process, high thought to capitalization of transaction aggregations, and comprehensive security massive. The platform also include the confidential transaction feature that the balance privacy and regulatory complies. Thank you, my friend. I am fine, my dear friend. Thanks so much for joining my stream and good to see you on my live stream, my dear friend. Alhamdulillah. So, Crypto Champion, thank you so much. And Gates, friend, thank you. So, the customer future for enterprise. The getting start. Thank you all, my friend, to join my stream. Thank you so much. Why stable? Stable. Thank you. Thank you all, lovely friend, to join my stream. Powered by and other. Thanks so much. Why stable? High performance scalability using USD native as a token. Thank you all, my friend, to join my stream. What is the stable? Thank you, my Gate family friend. Thank you so much. Stable is the first stable coin decided to the payment one where stable coin like USD and use the native for cash and settlement before stable. Thank you all, my lovely friend, to join my stream. Thank you. for joining stream, all my friends. So before stable, as a digital finance accelerate to the stable coin easily, USD are becoming. Thank you, my friend, Crypto Champion, another friend, for joining my stream. Thank you, get the friend to join my last stream. I am like your stream very much. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, okay, thank you for support my live stream. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, my friend, Kate user and other friend for joining my stream. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया, क्रिप्टो रॉब का भी शुक्रिया एंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन का भी शुक्रिया। मेरी जगह पे आज मेरे दोस्त जवाब दे रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड। So the unpredictable and high fees. The transaction costs are unpredictable and offers peak requiring the frequency, small value transaction costly and implications. Enterprise limitation. Thank you, my friend. For the businesses face in inclusion transaction speed different interrogation blockchain technology with extension system and indicate privacy solution need to the comprehensive regulations. Thank you, Crypto Champion, Crypto Rock, and my kids, the friend. Thank you, all of you, for joining stream. So, the complex user experience. User must manage to the multiple token, including the validation asset required for gas fees. Gas fees. Thank you so much, my friend. So, the blockchain technology extension system and integrate privacy solution need to the comply with the regulations. So the requirement as a gas fee creating confusion, entitlement, environment, polity for the newcomer. Limited financial assets. Financial assets. Thank you, game user friend. Thank you, Naveed. So the requirement of gas fees creating confirmation and liquidation environment privacy for newcomers. Limitation financial in many undeserved regions access to the dollar based on financial tools and limitations, high remained cost future excluding user from the participation in digital finance. So the development and the obstacle. The obstacle of the specialization stablecoin stuff fracture, compliant, and the development including competence. Stablecoin designed to extension overcome three challenges providing decided to the blockchain stuff fracture optimize for USD. Thank you all my friend to join my stream after stable. This is the stable official website, my dear friend. Thanks so much, Adriot and Akrima. Thank you, Adriot and Akrima, for joining my stream. After the Tolerate ecosystem built exclusive for USDT. So the stable is to decided to layer one blockchain. Midcoins designed for the optimal USD financial addresses vary friction point faced by the user, enterprises, and developer. It is key advantage include. Thank you for joining my stream, my friend. Thank you, Akrima. Thank you, Akrima, for joining my stream. Thank you, all my lovely friends, to join my stream. Thank you for joining my stream, all my friend. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. So the Akrima ultra low fees and instant settlement. So the transaction confirmation with the second consents maintain manual fees with the below transaction and contact stable for both micropayments and large scale settlement. Thank you, my friend Istanbul, for joining my stream, Istanbul, and Gate user friend. Thank you, all of you, for joining my stream, all my friend. Thank you. And the next is my dear friend. Thank you for joining my stream, all my friend. Thank you. Enterprise for the great future. The stable deserve for the solution and addressing enterprise specific need. ensure the security, utilize the provident proof of stake consent mechanism and full Ethereum tolerant compilation stable for the developer and enterpriser, secure from the familiar blockchain environment, the granted block space. Thank you all of you for joining my stream. Thank you. So the enterprise receive for the decide block space allocation, ensuring the consents transaction performance enterprise of the network constitutions. Thank you all of you for joining my stream. So the comprehensive development and support. This is the white paper of this project, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Stable provide the developer with a complete suite of tools designed and aggregate to the simple application action. EVM computable, fully computable. Thank you all my friend today to join my live stream. Thanks so much my all friend. So the specification SDK, the settlement infrastructure tolerance specification for stablecoin base, adopt development directly and reducing development cost and comprehensive. Interrogation tools, reports, APIs, interrogation services, enable settlement interpretation of stable stuff fracture into the extension interpromit security. Thank you, Brock Fashion Designer. Thank you, my friend Brock, for joining my stream. So the cross-chain interoperability. So today my topic, my dear friend, K Live Bonus Stars Launch Pool Stable Project Review, and I tell you the review of this project. Thank you so much, my friend, to join my stream. Merchant payment tools. Business for can accept the USD directly by posting expansion third-party process and reduce the transaction cost. Scientification. Stable pay. A user-friendly wallet to optimize everyday transaction, seamless integration with a stable ecosystem, ensuring the invite user experience. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. The stable is the building stablecoin landscape forming up, providing the specification stuff fracture that's the insurance optimized reliability using engagement a global financial इंट्रोड्यूस. तो अभी हम मौजूद हैं इसके वाइट पेपर के ऊपर. थैंक यू ऑल माय लवली फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. अकरम एंड रोमान जेडल. Roman and Akram. Thank you all of you to join my stream. All my friend, thanks so much for joining my stream. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thanks so much my lovely friend. The next is my dear friend, the stable for user. Stable is the specification designed to support worldwide range of user, including the enterprise, everyday user, and developer by the providing stuff fracture with stablecoin as the central asset. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. ऑल माय फ्रेंड, सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम. Skyfall and Kaya. Thank you. So, my dear friend, the stable deserve the powerful reliability and cost-effective blockchain solution specification optimized for the USD by powering by the comprehensive future tolerate to the direct needs of the institutional everyday user development stable ensuring financial efficiency and deserve the optimization exploitations for enterprise custom future with the high reliability. Thank you all of you to join my stream, all my friend. Thanks so much. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Al Sharif and Trust. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thank you all of you. So the grand block upcoming for the enterprise custom future with a high reliability. As the stablecoin continue to their rapid global adoption with the USD currently leading to the market stable is strategic position to the capitalize stabilizations growth opportunities with the stablecoin market projects. So reach 2.8 rehabilitation by 2030. There is image to the potential institutional expansions and broader market interrogation. Thank you, Gate user and Danish King. So a stablecoin specification designed to optimize USD transaction, providing institutional with a officially secure and cost-efficient solution for their daily payments and settlements for the future of enterprise include. Thank you all my dear friend today to join my stream. Thank you. The grand block speaks upcoming. Thank you all my friend to joining my stream. The enterprise utilization blockchain infrastructure required for the grand blockchain to ensure consensus transaction literacy. Stablecoin offer a enterprise granted blockchain allocation meant to the regulating transaction performance averaging during the network constitute. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thank you all of you for joining my stream, all my friend. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Thank you all my friend. Today my topic Gate Live bonus task. Launch pool stable, and I tell you the stable of this. Thank you my friend. So the dollar and the daily rate for the USD transactions. Thank you all of you for joining my stream, all my friend. Thank you so much. The stable ensuring the efficiency of USD insurance settlement and the everyday transaction, officially handling high volume USD activity, swift and security, high transaction thought. The stablecoin support for the rapid transaction process and asset comprehensive. It is secure architecture provide the trust and foundation, high value settlement and critical financial operations. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, all of you. And thank you, dear friend. Thanks so much, my friend. So, the confidential transactions upcoming. Thank you for joining my stream, my friend. The stable provide the enterprise grade confidential transaction capability enabled to institutional extension transaction while providing privacy and compliance fully and regulatory requirements utilization advanced cryptograph and unique sensitive transaction data to the confidence for the public availability while remaining to the auditable for the authorized partner. This allows enterprise to the balance insurance privacy with the traceable optimize maintain to the regulations such as the AMKYC and financial audits, fostering trust and the operation confidence, including the regulatory financial environment. Thank you, dear friend. Good morning, my dear friend, and welcome to join my stream. Thank you so much for the particular application for the institutional. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. Thank you, all of you, for joining stream. I'll, my friend. Thank you for everybody user for the particle application for the institutional. The stable of native application design to specification to settlement institutional operation including. Thank you, my friend. Thanks so much. So the stable coin payment solution. Application affiliate to the transaction fees, stable coin and the lock deposit and credit card. The business payment terminal. Enable merchant to accept USD seamless without the intermediates and the additional fees in the high productions manner every under network consultations for every user cheap and intuitive the usage. Thank you, Little Queen H and Nahid. The stable is the specification designed to make daily USD transaction easier, faster, and more affordable. Its survivor as the ideal solution of anyone seeking a reliable platform for the frequent transaction payments and settlement using USD. Here, how to stable ensure the daily financial activity. fast and reliable transaction. Optimized stuff fraction allow the stable for the offer transaction finalized in unique second. The seamless user experience. So stable pay has invite to the interface making core activities such as setting, rewarding, and the manage your assets stable for and convince. So the conventions the payment solution. Thank you, my friend Scale Prax. Thank you so much for joining and thank you. Welcome to join my stream. Thank you so much, my friend. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो मेरा आज का टॉपिक गेल लाइव बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पूल स्टेबल प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू द fast reliable transaction optimize. The stable specification designed to make daily USD transaction easier, faster, and more affordable. It survives the ideal solution for any more seeking reliability platform frequency transaction payment and settlement using USD. Here how stable ensure daily financial activities. Thank you, my friend Kate user. I accept it will be continuous rise. Thank you so much, my friend. Gate the friend, thank you for joining and thank you for the compliment. Thanks so much, my friend. Fast and reliable transaction. Optimize the stop fraction allows stable to the offer and transaction. Finalize under the second. Seamless user experience. So stable pay has a native interface making cross activities such as the setting, reviving, and manage your asset thought to the environment. Convert payment solutions. Thanks so much, my friend. Skip Prex. Thanks so much for joining and thank you for the compliment, my dear friend. Thank you so much. And have a good day, my dear friend. Thank you. The stable interrogate directly the popular payments network supporting debit card and card using for the settlement spending. Cross-chain USD transaction. USD to the enable seamless cross-chain USD transfer via layer 0. Oh, I have KYC issue. Skeplex. आपका KYC का इशू बन गया है. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड. अभी तो बोनस टास्क है, उसके बाद ही मैं आपको गाइड कर सकता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम. Which token are trading today? No idea, my dear friend, because today I tell you the bonus task detail. Thank you so much. So stable aim to provide a accessible financial solution globally, ensuring even those with the limited backing across to the US USDT seamless with the stable you can easily perform in cross-border transaction and everyday payments and maintain to the cost guarantee ensuring the financial flexibility and environment for everyone. So the stable is a here for the USD transaction making your financial activity quick, similar and more efficient. Thank you for the following, my dear friend. Thank you. So the for developer and high optimized EVMLI. So the stable is the transaction future second blockchain block time sub-second finally unique. Thank you my friend to join my stream. सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए. Thank you all of you to join my stream, all my friend. Thanks so much. So the sub-second block finally. Ensuring the transaction are finalized the rapid support real-time settlement design proof of stake DPoS implies the stable BF raw to secure consensus mechanism with the plan to adopt DAG based on consensus the future of ensuring 100% EVM compatibility. Thank you FL man, fat man. Built on the stable EVM enable Ethereum smart contract to the RAIN native, allowing the developer seamless across to the familiar Ethereum tools like Ethereum and Markib. So developer tool resources. Thank you, my friend, to join my stream. So stable EVM is stable Ethereum, computable extension, lawyer enables seamless interaction with the chain using extension Ethereum tools and wallet to bridge a gap between the stable EVM and stable SDK. Stable EVM introduce a view of the famous promise in enable EVM smart contract to call into the core chain logic security and automation. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thank you for support my live stream all my friends Skyfall, SK and other. Thank you Skyfall. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for joining. Alhamdulillah. So the technical roadmap and future development. Thank you so much, my friend, Gate User and Muhammad. High performance, the plans to research and optimize every component of the blockchain and to the process from DB to the consensus to the extension, real world application, instant a launch participation applications for a payment business transaction and consensus financial services lower a stable coin एडवांटेज थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और फॉलो करने के लिए थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम so the next one is my dear friend the token max supply and distribution economic design for the stable token the stable high performance loyal number one blockchain optimized and stablecoin settlement enterprise grade payment and USD centered transaction. This token overage outline to supply, distribution, and economic global of stable. So overview. Atom symbol total supply. The token allocation. Total supply 10000000000 stable token. So the emotion model supply schedule. Total supply is fixed 10000000000 stable token. Only a proportion of supply inter circulation at launch this stable maintain. Team and investor advisor allocation are subject to the 4-year linear vesting model with a 1-year caliph to ensure the long-term environment. Thank you, my friend. Allocation. Genius distribution 110% of the total token supply designed to the boost start using provide liquidation a market conduct airdrop event reward early support and the comprehensive exchange and ecosystem partner vesting schedule 100% unlock the stable maintain ecosystem community 4% for the token supply support long-term ecosystem and community growth, support the development of the stable software and ecosystem, developer grant user onboarding initiative, payment partner interrogations on chain, activity rewards, hacking, embrace program, infrastructure grant. So the hosting schedule. Thank you, my friend. Until unlock 8% for the total supply, unlock the stable maintain launch to provide for the initiative with the strategic launch partner liquidation need to the implementation early ecosystem growth campaigning the total vesting period 3-year liner vesting after the 32 of the total supply. Thank you Master H Nahid. Thank you H Nahid and Master. So the vesting schedule. Team 25 a total supply. Allocate the founding team members ensuring the research and contributor design for ensuring long-term alignment between the team and the stable ecosystem. Vesting schedule. 1-year caliph, no token are unlocked first 12 month. Total vesting period 48 month loyal vesting from the stable maintain launch. Investor and advisor 20% of the total supply. Allocate for the founding rounds advisory support and the vesting schedule. Number 1 year caliph no token are unlocked for the 12 month total vesting period 48 month liner vesting. Thank you all my friend. तो ये इसका मौजूद है आपके सामने वाइट पेपर उस पर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ द इकोनॉमिक डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल स्टेबल कोइन टोकन इनेबल फॉर द डिजाइन अराउंड द foundation goal. Number 1 the power payment optimized layer 1 the stable token initiative high performance low latency stuff fracture supporting sub-second blockchain confirmation and enterprise settlement for granted. Thank you my dear friend. So supports sustainable ecosystem growth. 40% of the token supply for the decided for long-term growth, crossing the development and development growth partner and new ecosystem. थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। तो ये इसका था वाइट पेपर जिस पे हमने बात की। अभी चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। स्टेकिंग कैप फॉर द बीटीसी पूल। Your staking cap will be determination for the 60 by total trading volume. Achieve a high trading volume of unlock higher staking up. 10 BTC 60,000 60,000 and 15 BTC. So 60-day total volume USD and BTC pool staking cap. 10 BTC 60,000 and 15 BTC 500,000. 20 BTC 1,000,000. 26 BTC 3,000,000 and 34 BTC 5,000,000. Thank you, my dear friend, for joining my stream. So the 60-day total trading volume of 60-day, spot trading volume of 60-day, future trading volume 40-day, 60-day options trading volume 5% reward distribution. Thank you, my friend. The system will be distribute token rewards user support account on hourly basis based on the proportion of assets they have staking user following the achieve the minimum trading volume of requirement 60,000 USDD with a 60-day period will be disqualification from the participation in BTC staking received hourly airdrop distribution. Please ensure you meet the minimum trading volume of requirement in advance. So the early staking. Gate launch pool allows user to the stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensuring you start earning reward as soon as mining being. How to participate? Thank you, Gate user friend, to join my live stream. Welcome, my friend. Thank you. How to participate? Log into your Gate account and complete identity verification native to launch pool. Hold at last 0.00001 BTC to 0.01 GT. One stable click stake. So the project information. Most stable coin the USD native lawyer one builder for the stable payment. Every transaction settle in the USD with the sub account final low fees and the reliability get global payment and demand fast scalable. Thank you so much, my friend. And now the official website जो मैंने आप दोस्तों को बताई, Gate Lab Investigation Disclosure. Gate did not invest in the stable. Thank you so much, my friend, for joining my stream. Gate did not invest in the stable. Note, the Gate Launch Pool is a native initiative airdrop platform where user can early hourly airdrop of trading and newly listed token by staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD or other token with low entry barrier and high APR. It is easy way to the compute market opportunities. Number 2, the 60-day total trading volume schedule up to the real time in F the update in the deployed. Please check the again after and hot. Number 3, after the trading volume requirement is not met, user can still redeem staking asset anytime. Any asset not maintained to redeem will be automatic return for the spot and unpaid account after the event. Number 4, please update the at last of version 7.23.0. The participation in launch pool. You can also participate directly via the Gate official website. Please complete identity verification participation in the launch pool, ensuring the security of your account and assets. Number 6, please follow the relevant node relevant node of the event proportion. Any cheating behavior perverting with the will result disqualification of the reward. Thank you all my friends today to join my stream. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Gate user friend, hello and love BTC. Thank you all my lovely friend. So the number 6, please follow the relevant rules of the event with the participation. Any cheating behavior is the prohibit which the will result in disqualification of the reward. Now, number 7, in case of the discrepancy between the translate version, the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Number 8, gate reserve all the right the final explanation. This event is not affiliated to the Apple link. Number 10, the user in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot service including the participation in the event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the future detail for registration location. The risk warning. Thank you, my friend. As a blockchain startup still in early stage, the project may involve the scientification risk in version except for the including operation underlining technology and the global regulatory environment. Number 2, understand the blockchain startup and association their inherent risk requirement, advanced technical and financial knowledge. Number 3, due to the influence from the technology regulatory framework, market conditions and other factors to the project you participate. In my experience, scientification price volatility with the price potentially raising of the fail sharply. Thank you, my friend Hidayatullah. Number 4, due to issue related to the underlying technology of the project, for the gate trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw or the part of assets from the project. Number 5, the cryptocurrency project are high by the nature and cryptocurrency price is high volatility. The project team does not provide any from the Marigan. Please commitment for the downside protections. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and capability for bringing them before the participation. While the platform strongly warm to the potential risk, it is cannot assume liberty for any investment discussion or providing any guarantee for the competitions. Gate team, December 8, 2025. Thank you all my friend to join my stream. Thank you all of you for joining my live stream. Thanks so much, my friend. So today my topic, Gate Life bonus task, launch for stable project review, and I tell you the review of this. Thank you, my dear friend, to join my stream. Thanks so much, my lovely friend. The next is my Gate team. Thank you all of you. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 4100 cryptocurrency safely, quickly on Gate. Thank you, my all friend, to join my stream. Thank you so much. Take action, sign up and clean up 10,000 in welcome reward, 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Thank you. So the visit Gate official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow us on X Tutor to get more bonuses, join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic, engage our global community for the latest insight, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of result. Thank you so much all my dear friend today to join my stream. So my dear friend, today my topic, Gate Launchpool Project 345 stable. Stable stake BTC GT are stable to claim airdrop. Thank you so much Prophet Queen, आपका शुक्रिया. वालेकुम सलाम एंड गुड टू सी यू. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. मैंने अपना बोनस टास्क कंप्लीट कर लिया. इंशाल्लाह अब आपसे दोबारा कल मुलाकात होगी. तो सभी दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और कमेंट्स किया. खासतौर पे मिस क्रिप्टो, क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो क्रिस्टल, क्रिप्टो रेक्स, गेट यूर फ्रेंड एंड प्रॉफिट क्वीन. सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. तो मेरा आज का टॉपिक था गेट लाइफ बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पूल स्टेबल प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और मैंने आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर मालूमात दी है. आपको इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दिखाई, इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर की है मैंने, और साथ में इसका वाइट पेपर भी, और जितने भी तमाम तर मालूमात अपने तरफ से बेस्ट देने की थी मैंने दिया. सभी दोस्तों का एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया. इंशाल्लाह अब आपसे कल मुलाकात होगी एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक दीजिएगा इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज, बाय बाय. अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा और मुझे दुआ में ज़रूर याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.